Well, folks, what do we have here? We have a 2017 Audi A3. Such a beautiful car. I'm going to do a quick walk around for you. I'm not going to take too much of your time shooting this video. I just want to show you this one, how nice it is. This is a 2017, has about 76,000 miles. Has a huge sunroof. Look how big that is. Look how far it goes back. It's tinted. Here's the ups. It's locked. Let me go to the other side. Here's the back of it. 2017 Audi A3. Let me go around this side. This is a clean title. It's available for in-house finance in Southwest Houston. We're on Highway 6, 1 light away from Briar Forest, 2 lights away from Westheimer. We do in-house financing. Basically, your job is your credit. You can see that sunroof way up there. Power seats, premium sound system. Here's the inside. You can see the leather and everything is really clean. I got to show you that sunroof. There it is. Oh, I got to show you something that is so cool in this car. I'm going to start it up. Let's see. It isn't a push button start. This one you have to use the regular key. But check this out. See that slot that's right there at the top? I'm going to start the car and turn on the radio. Watch this. Car is started. And let's see if there goes the radio. Right there, Audi A3, available for in-house finance, heated seats, cruise control, Bluetooth, just like the BMW. Has all the steering controls right here for if you're trying to control the radio and stuff like that. Has a, oh, that's the AC, I'm sorry. This one right here is the volume. For the shade for the back windows right there, traction control right there, hazard lights. It's got the parking sensors on the side view mirror right there. Heated seats right there. Really nice. Volume control for the radio right there. Navigation right here. Really nice. 2017 Audi A3.